Why?
Hold on.
I was talking shit.
Yeah.
That's how, hey, that's the internet. Motor blows up, doesn't matter what happened, it's the tune.
The pistons are perfect.
Your oil pump didn't even fucking break.
Tell them what radar. Put the link in the description if you guys want to get a radar. I'll have it in my link in the description. You guys can get it from Amazon.
Oh, they're gonna line up. Where? Oh. Got Abraham right here. Got a Corvette right here.
He's
Line
waiting.
it
Corvette's
up.
waiting.
Yeah.
You can tell. C7 Stingray versus Terminator. Stock Terminator. Oh. Oh.
He put something out.
Did you see that shit?
Yeah.
What was that?
I don't know. A little flashing red light.
I don't know. I don't know why. Hold up. I don't know what the f going on. Hold on. They just drove by. They're just checking out. Oh, they just drove by and like thought we were being suspicious and shit.
No, well, we're supposed to drop off this car here and this here, but he's on the phone with the owner.
Hold on. They're like, oh, they thought we were trying to break into a truck. Took off. Yeah, they just took off. There's like 3 cops. Yeah. Okay, so I'm. Stop.
Oh, he's cuffing. Got your bitch ass. Leave us alone.
They keep coming back, bro. Look at the
Well, at least you know your car's safer.
I know, right? I wonder who the fuck called the cops.
Oh, oh! I was waiting for Ovette to fucking be like, oh. So we ended up dropping the motor off with my boy OPT Eddie. We are stuck in traffic now, and I'm not too sure yet. But sadly, we did not get to open up the motor and see internally a little bit extra. So hopefully in the next few days, we'll be able to get over there, check everything out. Look at this. Crazy.
Crazy, huh?
Crazy, huh? We're like legit at a standstill, aren't we?
No, we're going at least 0.5. That is. Oh shit! A semi fucking flip. Look, a triple black.
Our trip to take just the engine to
To where?
to take the engine to Speedline turned into.
Shut up. Biggie, but open the door. I'm actually gonna go grab a drink at the gas station.
Oh, it's right there. Look at the. Oh shit!
Hey, do we have an Android charger?
3 days later.
What's going on, guys? So today is a continuation of what we were doing a few days ago, which we were transporting the motor. Long story short, we're going to go back to fully tear down the Cobra motor and see what really went wrong. But we also have some parts already on the way to build the motor, which you guys will see very soon. A shout out to ARP bolts, guys. You guys know that these bolts are like very important when building a motor. They are like by far one of the best hardwares you're supposed to use when building a motor. So we're going to be installing a lot of ARP stuff, which we will talk about later. But I also did want to talk about how we're doing a radar giveaway. So I just released some new merch. It's my new Cobra Whipple tee, which looks very good. It also helps support me, but we also are going to be having some jet tags as well. So hit the link in the description if you guys are interested. But every dollar you spend is an entry to win the Uniden R3 radar. This is my personal radar that I use legit on all the cars. I wish I had one like in every single car that I drive in, because I really want it whenever I drive. So I just will move it around. But like I said, it's a very good radar. and you guys have a chance to win it with buying a shirt or a jet tag, whatever you spend. Every single dollar is a entry into winning the Uniden R3 radar. So I like doing these small raffles. A lot of people are giving away cars, which is awesome, but personally I like doing a lot more smaller things like radars, you know, detailing kits, stuff like that. I don't know yet, but you guys have really liked getting the radar, and I love the radar myself. Everyone drives and everyone loves that. It protects me, it protects everyone. So guys, make sure you guys look into that. Go buy some merch, the link in the description. It helps me out. But the Cobra Whipple tee looks very clean, it looks very cool. We're gonna be shipping that as soon as possible, so guys, check that out. But like I said, we are gonna be headed to Speedline Motorsports today to see what's up with the engine and get the Cobra back on the road. So guys, like I said, this really helps me out and it helps just me grow the channel. So guys, check it out, and we'll catch you guys in the next clip. Well, we are currently at Speedline Motorsports. Whoa, this wrap's clean. Damn, I like this shit. Clean. Got the 2-valve. Boosted 2-valve right here. Clean ass torch red Terminator right here, guys. Go subscribe to Ovet's YouTube channel.
To my OnlyFans? Yo, you subscribe to my OnlyFans?
Go subscribe to Edder's channel too. Actually, both of them have YouTube channels.
Hell yeah.
You guys go subscribe to them. Okay guys, so we're going to be opening up the Cobra motor. First things first, we have to take off the harmonic balancer. How's it going? Good, good. What's going on, man? Oh, I appreciate that. Thank you, thank you. Well, you have your car here, or?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. The Viva?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, we saw him made like 400 horsepower, yeah.
Yeah, some issues.
Yeah, that's cool. We'll take a ride or something. That's
for sure,
sick.
man.
My suspicion is that the oil pump gears went out.
That's what I think so too.
That's what I think happened, and it shattered. But it's uncommon for, I've never seen that happen. What does it look like?
Looks good. Because we tried turning the
Real fucking like stiff.
Yeah, it was stiff.
I just sneaked these off,
Yeah.
but I don't know if these Cobras are the same and shit.
Oh, with the wrench.
They look cool, no?
Yeah, they do.
They look good.
Just refinish them, whatever.
Gucci. You want to lay it down because you want this shit to fall.
How's the
Not
pistons
that
look
I
cool?
said anything.
If you guys had issues, fuck that. We don't want issues.
The
They look good.
pistons look cherry. Everything was on point. It wasn't even Speedline's tune, I swear. Like, it was on point. Air, fuel, everything. It looks fresh.
But it's like you, like I never heard like upgraded oil pump.
I know. That's what I said too.
But fuck it, right now we'll see.
So yeah, we're gonna find out right now.
And this is the driver's side head. Both the heads look cool. I'm gonna take it to the machine shop and they can refinish everything. No, the tune was on point. It wasn't. I don't know why everyone was like, "Oh, this kill sauce tune," right? I was
talking shit.
Yeah.
That's like, hey,
was like,
hey,
you better
that's
get
the
on
internet. Motor blows up, doesn't matter what happened, it's the tune. That's
No, look at the. I'm showing the vlog. The pistons are perfect. Tune was on point. Nothing. Not tune related at all.
And it's only 16 degrees, man. Come on, you can't break shit at 16 degrees.
Yeah, I know.
The scoring on there, see the scoring when you take the cam caps off?
Mm-hmm.
You could also, there's like a little, you take the cams off, you can pour water on there, and if water doesn't come out of the intake or exhaust port, then
Oh, then they're
know
sealing cool.
They're sealing cool.
Cause can you still lose oil pressure and the gauge is still kind of high, or no?
See, the gauge is a stupid gauge.
That's what I'm saying.
It's only a 7 psi, so if you're running 8 psi, it's technically not good, but it's enough to tell you that you got good oil pressure.
But if it goes,
So if the gauge goes to 0,
yeah, then
you got less than 7 psi.
oh, okay. So it's like a threshold kind of thing.
It's just 7 psi.
Yeah.
You got 7 psi, which is stupid because you should have at least 16.
So we're gonna see if the oil pump gear shattered. This was my suspicion, but
Yeah, but
what the f is that?
okay.
I don't know what happened, or what it is or means. But what did that cause though?
And this shit got up. It got all pushed into your oil system. Your oil pumps didn't even fucking break. Nothing.
We'll come back then.
We're good.
All right, we'll come back. Let's go. Okay guys, so we just got some food, but we're gonna be headed back to the shop and we're gonna clean up everything. But based on the general consensus, it seems like the crankshaft essentially had excessive movement, which caused the backplate of the oil pump to expand, and it ended up rubbed on the crank, and excess metal essentially fell into the oil pan, and from that the metal circulated throughout the whole motor, and we think now that it was a snowball effect. So the bearings are probably messed up, so we know what to do. I'm glad we kind of figured out what the thing is to do from here. You guys know I have the upgraded 9-thread heads, which are cool, and the heads look like they're in good shape, but I'm gonna take them back and get them all cleaned up and pressure tested, whatever. So we'll catch you guys back at the shop, and we'll talk to Speedline and catch you guys in a bit. On 3 turbo kit. That's the firing order? Well, that's what I'm saying. It's just moving. It's just in action. That shit moves. Cool.
It's not supposed to be that hard, huh? You see? It's not, look.
But to the tune right there. Everyone said it was a tune. Psych.
It's always the tune.
I know, for no reason, huh?
Always the tune.
Could be anything, for no reason. I'm just like, what the
My
fuck?
taxes went up. The tune.
Nah, it looks
You get the Yaris?